Welcome to #Heather's Hints. Today we'll be unboxing a brand new keyboard and mouse from Amazon that I just received. So we have the keyboard right here that I ordered on Amazon. This is replacing an old keyboard and mouse that wasn't really working. This is kind of the last setup that I have to my new desk setup, which I'll show later in another video. Let's go ahead and rip this open. Alright, so we have the box open. There's this plastic material that comes. We'll just throw this to the side. And now we have the Seenda Backlit Wireless Keyboard Mouse combo. As you can see, it looks almost like a Apple keyboard and mouse. And it has a full number pad. Wireless keyboard mouse combo. So you can see it says compact and comfortable, designed especially for the minimalistic wire-free desktop, which is important. As you can see, it looks a little bit like a Apple keyboard. It's kind of the feeling I was going for, but I didn't want to pay full price for the Apple keyboard, of course. So let's go ahead and get started opening this up. First look, okay, it comes wrapped in plastic. So let's go ahead and pull it out. It's got some weight to it. I would say it's a couple pounds. It's heavier than I would have thought. Definitely heavier than the one I'm replacing. It does have a full numerical pad, and it's backlit, so especially nice in this dark. It's a nice gray finish with black keys, quiet keys, very quiet keys, and then it also has a Type-C adapter on the back, so that's pretty cool. On-off switch on the back as well. Comes with all instructions. Pull this out. Oh, this is nice. It comes with a Type-C to USB charger. That's super nice. And then a little, that is stuck to it. So packaging, not so much. See where they were going with it, so it's not lost, because this is the keyboard dongle that connects both the keyboard and the mouse. So you have both here. And then we have the Type-C to USB. That's it in the box. So this was my old keyboard and mouse setup. As you can see, very noisy, annoying, loud click, super annoying. I could barely hear myself think when I was typing out a long document or doing any work. So now we have the new keyboard in place. As you can see, it's a little bit better. See, we have a backlight on the keyboard. It's a lot slimmer, matches my MacBook Pro, and also matches the whole aesthetic of silver and gray and a nice little ambiance of my background lights. Hello everyone, we're back after unboxing the keyboard and mouse. Here's it set up on my desk. So let's go ahead and get it turned on. I've already plugged in the dongle. Alright, so we've turned it. Ooh, I like the backlight. Looks like a fancy Apple keyboard without spending the money on it. If you like this unboxing video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.